मुल्क के 78वें जश्न आज़ादी के मौके पर नौजवान नस्ल और तलबा व तालिबात को मुस्लिम मुजाहिदीन आज़ादी के तारीख़ साज कारनामों और बेमिसाल कुर्बानियों से रूशनास करवाने के गर्ज से हाई स्कूल तक डिग्री कॉलेज के तलबा व तालिबात के लिए 10 रोज़ा तकरीरी मुकाबलाजात का इनेकाद अमल में लाया गया। इस सिलसिले का 9वां तकरीरी मुकाबला गुलबर्गा शहर के हुसैन पब्लिक स्कूल में मुनक्किद हुआ। भारत एकता मंच के ज़ेर एहतमाम हुसैन पब्लिक इंग्लिश मीडियम स्कूल में मुस्लिम मुजाहिदीन आज़ादी पर 9वें तकरीरी मुकाबले का कामयाब इनेकाद अमल में आया। मुकाबले में 17 तलबा और तालिबात ने 17 मुस्लिम मुजाहिदीन आज़ादी पर बेहतरीन तकारीर करते हुए मुस्लिम मुजाहिदीन आज़ादी के तारीख़ साज कारनामों और बेमिसाल क़ुरबानियों को ज़बरदस्त ख़राज तहसीन पेश किया। तकरीरी मुकाबले में जुमला 17 तलबा व तालिबात ने हिस्सा लेकर 17 मुस्लिम मुजाहिदीन आज़ादी पर इज़हार ख़याल करते हुए जंगे आज़ादी में मुस्लिम मुजाहिदीन आज़ादी के तारीख़ साज रूल को वाज़े किया। तकरीरी मुकाबलाजात में तलबा व तालिबात ने अंग्रेज़ी ज़बान में बेहतरीन तकारीर किए। मुकाबलाजात में भारत एकता मंच के ज़िम्मेदारान मौलाना हाफिज़ व कारी मोहम्मद फ़खरुद्दीन मानियाल, इकबाल अली इंडिया बैतुलमाल और अफ़ज़ाल महमूद शहनशीन पर मौजूद थे।
Muhammad Ali Jawhar. He studied at the Aligarh University. He served in the civil service in the United Provinces of Oudh and Agra for 17 years in British India. He helped his younger brother Muhammad Ali Jawhar to publish the Urdu weekly Hamdard and the English weekly Comrade. In 1915, he published that the Turks were right to fight the British.
Today I am going to tell you the few lines on Maulana Shah Waliullah Muhaddis Jalhavi. He was born in 1703 at Delhi. Shah Waliullah lived during a time of significant political and social upheaval. The Mughal Empire was in decline and Muslim community was facing a crisis of identity and faith. It was a challenging environment that Shah Waliullah emerged as a beacon of light
and dynamic. It includes spirit and matter, in addition to idealism, pragmatism, and even rotates around the axis of the noble and the ignoble. Life strives for higher ends. It is a mission, a service, and finally a worship. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good afternoon everyone present here. I, Nazbeen of grade 10A, stand before you to talk about a great personality of India, Dr. Zakir Hussain. A well-known musician, freedom fighter, contributions of Muslims in the Indian freedom struggle. We all are aware that the Britishers ruled over us for almost 200 years, but we regained our freedom. We became independent. But do you think this freedom was given to us, served to us in a silver platter? No, we worked for it. We sacrificed many things that we cherish, including many lives.
So it is an immense pleasure to express my views towards the great personality Tipu Sultan. Tipu Sultan was born on 1st December 1851. He was the son of the Hyder Ali and the Fatima Kamal Nisa. Tipu Sultan was known as the Sher of Mysore or the Tiger of Mysore because of his bravery. Tipu Sultan was an Indian Muslim ruler of Mysore Kingdom in South India.
Freedom fighter is deeply etched in the annals of Indian history. Tipu Sultan was not only a military man, but also a man of principles. His administration was marked by his significant reforms that promoted economic growth, cultural development, and development in weapons.